Oh my god, guys, so these Apex Battle Passes are pretty damn expensive. You can get Apex Premium and Apex Premium Plus Battle Pass, but today, guys, I'm going to show you how to get a Apex Battle Pass for completely free, guys. So this is going to be a completely free Premium Plus Apex Legends Battle Pass, and it literally takes only a few minutes, guys, and you can grab a code which you can redeem in-game or on the EA website, and it's going to provide you with a Battle Pass for Apex for free. So let's get into the steps that you need to take, guys, to go ahead and do this. You can see you need to use a mobile phone. I've got my sort of iPhone here, that is my spare one, but it doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you can get on the internet. This is actually an older phone, to be honest. And you need to go to the following website, guys. So make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to type it. www.robotcoupons.com. Oops. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys. Robot Coupons. This is basically a game code website, but they also, of course, have coupon codes. So you can see they have some of the latest games, and they have mobile games, things like that. So you can see here it says use this handy search bar, not sandy, and search now. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for Apex Legends. Oops, it should pop up like so. So you need to navigate to the Apex Legends redeem codes page. Now, if you scroll down, you can see there are a few different codes to choose between. You can get free coins, of course, the free battle pass in Apex Legends, free packs, and unlock all. And you can see this is pretty highly rated. So we want the free battle pass in Apex Legends. So click on that. Now, you will need to unlock your redeem code, guys. So as I showed you, these battle passes are not exactly cheap. So this will limit to one code per person. So basically, guys, you can't get unlimited battle pass codes. You can only get one code. So go ahead and tap this button. Now, I've actually already got mine, so I don't want to sort of just waste these codes because they are limited. But basically, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your Battle Pass code. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes, and if this is your first time on Robot Coupons, you will need to probably verify that you're not a robot. Pretty obvious, but just take your time, follow the instructions, complete a couple of tasks. Once you've done that, your Battle Pass code will be fully revealed, and you can literally redeem it in-game or on the website, and it's going to provide you with a free Premium Plus Battle Pass for Apex Legends. So head on over to Robot Coupons, guys, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this saved you money. You can also check out the coins redeem code if you want. You can get 10,000 coins. So smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.